The Executive Engineer of the Public Health Engineering MAWKYRWAT Division, Snaitang, on 9th October had released the patriotic song of the HYNÑIEWTREP ACHIK National Movement MAWKYRWAT Circle entitled Syllad Naphang Samla that is sung by WANBHALANG NONGSIEJ of MAWRANGLANG, Southwest KHASI Hills District. The event had taken place at the Thai Resort Nonglang in the presence of the President of the Hanm MAWKYRWAT Circle, LAMBOKSTAR MARWEIN, the Secretary of the SYNJUK Samla SHNONG Shillong area, Moonli Roy, besides members of the Hanm MAWKYRWAT Circle. The song, that has been composed in line with some of Sosotham's inspirational poems, talks about reawakening and encouragement to the youth in their service towards the welfare, well-being and protection of the people of the state.
Namalba ibon ba aga Shillong gibru idan na gijang Shillong idan gibru ginek samla gibru ba ya ikilti baba ba gijang samla di budget ikilti bas new taba ka syang hanya iwe piwe bagin sudu kumlo bagin jet ka talenti te ga kidbok kriang ya kan ka sek HNM ba pinangkiu saprang hagalti kabade tangini kiten pulesiwan.
Shwaba kasmikan sepa Shwaba unik ubnay Kokun uhennyewtrep Mawat juya lekay Kakong bangirat muken Mawat kenran dinno Yesha haki jing jing Jok hang takengin